Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the client environment, open Starter Player, and add a local script. This ensures the camera code runs on each player. Once done, grab Workspace. Current camera and user input service so you can read input and set camera transforms. Now set camera type to scriptable to take full control. Make sure to keep a reference to the default camera type so you can restore it later. This first step gets hands-on control. You'll be able to move and rotate the camera directly from code. Now implement the core loop. Read keyboard axes and convert them into a movement vector relative to the current camera orientation. Then sample mouse delta to update yaw and pitch. Make sure to clamp pitch between about -80 degrees and 80 degrees so the camera never flips. Once inputs are processed, compute a target C-frame with look vector and position offsets, and assign it on render stepped using delta time to keep motion smooth and consistent across frame rates. This is the detailed execution that controls how players move and look. To finish, add smoothing. Lerp or tween service prevents sudden snaps and feels polished. Pick a damping value that balances responsiveness versus smoothness. Make sure to restore camera type and connections when a character responds or the script is disabled so you don't break default controls. If you encounter jitter, check that you're updating on render stepped, not heartbeat, and verify the camera isn't parented to physics objects. Also debounce input and reduce heavy per frame allocations. That troubleshooting tip should resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.